so sweet and you're so doggone fine. Just can't get you off of my mind. You become a sweet taste in my mouth now, now. And now I wanna be just fine. Oh, that we can live happily now, now in a great